Hello everyone, I'm Nicole from Blue Hue Mountain, and today we're talking all things holiday hosting. Whether you're planning a winter gathering, setting up a hot cocoa bar, or creating beautiful mountain-inspired place settings, I've got you covered with easy, cozy ideas to make this season unforgettable. So let's dive in. Today we are going to talk about how to infuse your space with mountain berry pink accents effortlessly. Transform any room into a cozy, welcoming retreat. Create memorable gatherings with our unique decor suggestions. Simplify your holiday planning with easy-to-follow tips while enjoying a stress-free hosting experience this season. This year, impress your guests with a beautifully curated atmosphere. Show everyone how to feel the warmth and charm of mountain-inspired decor. It is time to elevate your holiday celebrations with these creative ideas. Make your home the ultimate holiday haven. Ever struggled to create a cozy winter gathering atmosphere? I used to fumble with mismatched decor and dull settings. Then I discovered this mountain berry pink table setup. The berry pink accents instantly caught my eye. Rustic candles and pine branches add a festive touch. Fairy lights softly glow, creating a warm, inviting ambiance. Now my gatherings are effortlessly elegant and cozy. No more stressing over decor, everything just fits perfectly. Imagine your guests' delight at such a beautiful setup. Why settle for ordinary when extraordinary is just a click away? Elevate your winter gatherings with this stunning table decor. Ready to transform your space into a winter wonderland? Planning a winter gathering. Let's start with the foundation, planning a cozy winter gathering. When you're hosting a holiday get-together, you want to create a space that feels welcoming and festive without overwhelming the senses. Start by choosing a few staple decor elements and sticking with a natural color palette. A simple but beautiful centerpiece like this one is perfect. I used pine branches and a few candles to bring in that classic mountain lodge vibe. And by adding a pop of mountain berry pink with napkins or placemats, we're balancing the natural look with a bit of holiday cheer. Having a consistent color accent like this helps tie the whole look together, making it feel cohesive and inviting. It's all about creating a warm and cozy atmosphere that reflects the beauty of the mountains. Now that we've got the table set, let's move on to a little something extra for your guests. The ultimate hot cocoa bar. Introducing the ultimate winter delight, our hot cocoa bar setup. Imagine a cozy pink wonderland with marshmallows and chocolate shavings. Perfect for holiday gatherings or when you just need a cocoa hug. Mountain berry pink containers are like warm hugs for your cocoa. Imagine a chalkboard sign saying hot cocoa bar. Your guests will say, yum. Decorative pine branches and snowflakes add a sprinkle of holiday magic. Ideal for home warmth or cafes seeking festive beverage solutions. A hot cocoa bar is a great addition to any winter gathering, and it's something guests of all ages can enjoy. Plus, it adds a festive touch that feels fun and indulgent. Here's how to make it extra special. Customizable toppings mean everyone gets their cocoa just right. Set up a variety of toppings like marshmallows, whipped cream, and chocolate shavings, and offer mix-ins like peppermint sticks or caramel syrup. For a touch of elegance, use small jars and label each topping. You can even add a little festive ribbon in mountain berry pink for extra flair. Pink mugs so charming they might just steal the show. Matching mugs help create a uniform look, and I like to keep everything in one spot so guests can serve themselves. It's easy, it's inviting, and it keeps your guests coming back for more. Experienced hosts love it. Newbies will feel like cocoa pros. Elevate your winter events with this stylish, inviting setup. Get ready to sip, smile, and savor the season's best. And for those who want to get extra cozy, I'll show you a few simple winter cocktails next. Now let's add some holiday cheer for the adults with a few winter-inspired cocktails. Introducing the ultimate winter cocktail station for festive gatherings. These are easy to make, look gorgeous, and give your guests a taste of the mountains. Imagine your guests sipping elegant drinks garnished with rosemary and berries. The cranberry rosemary fizz is one of my favorites. Start with a mix of cranberry juice, a splash of sparkling water, and a bit of gin if you like. Add a few fresh cranberries and a sprig of rosemary for garnish. This drink has that beautiful wintry look and tastes refreshing yet festive. Add a splash of color with mountain berry pink napkins and straws. A tray of mixers and glasses surrounded by evergreen sprigs awaits. Perfect for experienced hosts and bartenders aiming to impress. Transform your home bar into a mountain-inspired winter wonderland. Ideal for holiday parties, upscale events, and sophisticated gatherings. Featuring premium spirits and stylish glassware for a touch of class. Create vibrant festive drinks that will dazzle your discerning guests. Another option is a classic hot toddy, which is perfect for chilly nights. Just warm up some water, add a spoonful of honey, a splash of whiskey, and a cinnamon stick for garnish. Simple, cozy, and delicious. Lastly, elevate your presentation with rose gold shakers and festive garnishes. Be the host everyone remembers with these elegant winter cocktail recipes. These cocktails are easy to prepare and add an elegant touch to your gathering. Cheers to a season of sophistication and unforgettable holiday moments. Now let's move on to creating mountain-inspired place settings that will wow your guests. Welcome to the world of mountain-inspired elegance for your dining table. When it comes to place settings, a few natural elements go a long way. Pine cones, evergreen sprigs, and earthy textures help create that mountain-inspired feel, and they're easy to find and arrange. Picture rustic charm with berry pink linens and simple white plates. Add pine cones and evergreen sprigs for that natural mountain vibe. I love using small details like this. It's simple but creates a beautiful, cohesive look. And don't worry about perfection. Mountain style is all about that effortless, natural feel. These touches make each place setting feel special, like it's been carefully crafted just for your guests. Elegant cutlery and soft candles create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Perfect for holiday gatherings or upscale dining events with flair. Ideal for nature-themed venues or cozy, sophisticated home dinners. These settings are like a hug from Mother Nature herself. Impress discerning guests and nature-loving hosts with this design. Bring the mountains to your table minus the hiking boots. Create unforgettable dining experiences with this rustic elegance. For those who love style with a sprinkle of pinecone magic, transform any meal into a mountain retreat with our place settings. By keeping things simple and adding touches of nature, you create a welcoming, rustic feel that makes guests feel right at home. Now, let's finish it all off with some comfort food recipes that will keep everyone warm and satisfied. Of course, no holiday gathering is complete without some comfort food. Introducing comfort food recipes with mountain flavors. Think hearty stews, roasted root vegetables, and fresh warm bread. These are the kinds of dishes that warm you up from the inside out and really capture that cozy mountain flavor. Experience hearty stews and fresh bread in rustic serving bowls. One of my go-to dishes is a simple beef or vegetable stew. Start with your base veggies, carrots, potatoes, onions, and let them simmer with herbs like rosemary and thyme. Adding fresh herbs is a small touch, but it gives the stew that rich, earthy flavor. Serve your stew with some freshly baked bread, and maybe add a few roasted veggies on the side. It's hearty, delicious, and perfect for keeping everyone warm and happy. Remember to consider mountainberry pink napkins to add a touch of elegance to your table. Pine cones and holiday lights enhance the mountain-inspired theme. Artisanal bread offers a golden crust for culinary enthusiasts. Dutch oven ensures even cooking, perfect for family gatherings. Elegant dinnerware elevates the presentation of gourmet meals. Transform your dining space into a cozy, festive retreat. Enjoy authentic, rustic meals that warm the heart and soul. Perfect for culinary enthusiasts seeking unique, flavorful experiences. Impress guests with unique, tasteful decorations that stand out. Enjoy a stress-free holiday season with a beautifully curated home. Elevate your hosting experience with the Seasonal Entertainer Collection. Create joyful, memorable moments in a serene, stylish environment. Embrace quality, style, and comfort this holiday season with ease. I hope these ideas help you create a holiday gathering filled with warmth, joy, and a touch of mountain magic. Whether it's cozy drinks, comforting food, or festive decor, these small touches can make your space feel like a welcoming winter retreat. Thank you for joining me here at Blue Hue Mountain, and happy holidays from our family to yours.